Hello friends, welcome back to Learn, Invest and Earn channel. As I said yesterday regarding the ITC share, today which we saw rose up to 6 rupees today in the morning. And before that I told you about the Rosary India that also bounced back to something around 12 to 13 rupees. So today I bought a new share for all of you, and the name of that share is Exide Industries. As today you all know that Exide Industries share rose up to 12 to 13 rupees. Today in the morning the share was at price 160 rupees and it make a high of rupees up to rupees 173 rupees. So friends, as you can see in the screen that already the AMO order has been put up for something around 30,000 shares at the rate of 172.40. So this AMO order is already put up by the shareholders to purchase this share, so that through that we can understand that this share may tomorrow give up good returns also, as it showed today. It can also show by tomorrow also, and the total quantity traded during today was more than 2 crores, and the deliverable quantity was around 60 lakhs 35,000, and the percentage of deliverable quantity was more than 29%. So if it comes around 30, we consider it as a good deliverable quantity. So friends, do watch tomorrow the share Exide Industries. And one more thing I want to tell you, that I am not a SEBI registered, and I make these videos for the educational purpose. So if you want to take the trade, you can consult your financial advisors and act accordingly. So friends, let's see tomorrow this share, and I hope you all have earned a good amount from the last two shares which I have suggested it. And one more thing I want to share with all of you, that I have one more channel that is in the name of SPN Consultancy. So you can also go through that channel, you can like it and subscribe it. So thank you guys, see you soon, goodbye.